need a Spice Girl. Ziggy, ziggy, I fuck up my whole world. Pause when she talk, nothing like old girl.
Hey DBRIGHT Squad! Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming DIY heels makeover, and I'm going to show you guys 2 ways where you can make over your heels, and it's completely removable, so it's not permanent. You can change it up whenever you want to. You guys are going to love it, so let's get right into it. Okay, so for this DIY you will need these types of heels because this is going to work best with this type of heel. So basically it's open toe and it has straps up top, and then like it just looks like this basically. You will also need feathers, so black feathers work perfectly for this DIY, and you will also need black ribbon, and it's just like this thin, this wide or whatever, but it's just black ribbon. You will also need a pair of scissors and some safety pins. Okay, so the first step you're gonna do is you're gonna get your black ribbon and you're gonna measure out how long you want it to go around your legs. So I'm gonna cut it pretty long. Okay, so I cut 4 of the straps, and they're each 24 inches, which is also 60 centimeters. So they're all the same size. So you're gonna take one strap and you're gonna go to the back of your heel on one side. Make sure it's centered, just like center it before you do anything. Okay, so you're gonna take the ribbon and you're just gonna tie a knot on one side. Simple. Okay, so you have one strap on already on one side. You're gonna take another one and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just a small knot. See how there's extra there? Just bring it so it's not really shown. Yeah, so you would have 2 straps like that. Okay, so you just do the same thing. You do the same thing to the other shoe. So you're gonna take your ribbon back. You're just gonna bring it forward, and you're gonna crisscross. You're just gonna crisscross, and one more time. So I should be able to do 2 crisscrosses, and then you just tie it in the back, and voila, there you go. And now you have super cute heels. Okay, so for the next style that we're gonna create is you need your shoe, and we're gonna take out the feathers. So tape, scissors, and feathers will be perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. So basically you're just gonna pick out one of your favorite feathers from the group. I like this one just because I measured it and it looks like it's gonna fit perfectly with this feather. So try to take the feather that will fit perfectly, but if not, obviously you can always cut it. But you have to watch out because when you cut feathers, it could go loose, and then that's not really a good look if wherever you're walking there's just feathers being left. Okay, so you pick out your feather first, put it on the side. You're gonna take your tape. I suggest taking one of these like wide tapes because like you need something that's wide. Okay, so you just get a bit like that. Get your scissors, cut off that piece, just like that. Okay, and then you're gonna take your tape and you're just gonna roll it. If you have double-sided tape, that works too, but this one I like because it feels a little bit more like secure in a way. I don't know, but you just roll it. Okay, and then you're gonna take your shoe. Okay, and you're just gonna put tape on the shoe first. Okay. Okay, and then you're gonna take your feather and you're gonna choose whichever way that you think looks better and just stick it down like that. There you go, perfecto. And then you see there's like a little like thing sticking up. That's when your scissors come in handy again. You're just gonna use your scissors and you're just gonna cut off that little piece. There you go. Super, super cute. I'm gonna try it on and then I'm gonna show you guys.